I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away.
Hi guys, so I am actually starting today's vlog at my friend Megan's house. I went to work this morning, and so once again I'm starting the vlog late, but we're in her kitchen right now and we're going to be making some really fun Oreo balls. So yeah, this is gonna be a little like DIY vlog sort of thing, but I'm excited and I'm definitely already starting to snack on the Oreos. So here goes. Lexi is also here, and of course she is vlogging, but yeah, we're gonna get started. Well, we crushed up all the Oreo and threw it in the blender, but before we blend it up with the cream cheese, we're melting up some colored chocolate. We're pretty much just throwing it in at 30-second intervals and then stirring in between. So once all of the chocolate is melted, I will let you guys know what happens next. Okay, I don't know what it's like. Look at the beautiful helper we have in the kitchen, Cody. Uh-oh. He got some new toys. Hi, Cody. Oh, and you have a handsome bow tie on. Hello. He's no longer interested. Okay, bye. Alright, so the Oreo batter, I guess you could call it, is made. We threw in around 40 Oreos with a block of cream cheese, so we're going to mold these into balls now, and then we're going to cover them in melted green and red chocolate and make them look like little ornaments. Are done, and Caitlin is here now. Hello. Hey girl. Hey. So yeah, it's a party. We're going to throw these in the freezer and then we're gonna decorate them. Hi, Cody. No! Cody, love me! Oh my god. He came back! Oh my god. Are you serious right now? Lexi, how could you do this to me? Hi, Cody.
I got the pizza sauce in the shot.
Oh yeah.
Lexi for these.
Oh my god, goals. Okay, so we covered all of the Oreo balls with the colorful chocolate, and as you can see, they really just got very shitty towards the end. I made these guys, so of course they look beautiful. I hate you. These Oreo balls, however, are really just, they're struggling. They're trying to figure out who they are in life. I'm gonna let them sit for a bit and then decorate. We have like some fun icing over here. Alright, so we are now decorating the Oreo balls, and Lexi made a cute little subscribe one, and I made, or attempted to make, a YouTube play button. Do we have the picture of what these were supposed to be originally? So, funny story about these Oreo balls. We were originally supposed to make snowmen, but when we realized we didn't have any white chocolate to melt, we just ended up making them red and green and thought that we would make them into ornaments, but since some of them ended up looking not so great, we're kind of just, I don't know, we're kind of just doing whatever with them, but they taste really good and we definitely recommend making these at home. Alright, well, I am going to be leaving Megan's house soon, but I had a ton of fun with these goofballs, And, oh, Megan, where's Cody? I need to say goodbye.
Cody!
Cody! Hello, handsome. He's like, what do you want?
Honestly, yes.
I feel so trapped.
High five.
Hi, buddy.
High five. High five.
Oh my god, he's so confused.
Oh, good boy. Good boy. That was a good shake.
He's like,
Mwah.
you called me down here for nothing?
Yes, I was just making sure that they
He's going to investigate.
Go ahead.
Bye-bye. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I've just decided to combine today's vlog with yesterday's vlog because at this point, I don't think there's any other way that I'm ever going to be able to catch up to uploading on time. And in case you guys were wondering why so many of my Vlogmas uploads have been going up so late, it's because I'm working an 8-hour shift every single day at work. So it's literally like a 9 to 5 job. And then after I get home from work, I don't have time to like edit and upload because I have to go out of the house and like do something exciting to film for Vlogmas. So then I'm not able to upload until I get home at like 11 at night, and my videos are going up super late and I'm not getting any sleep. So I'm really just starting to get run dry by Vlogmas. So unfortunately that means that I have to combine these 2 days. But anyways, I just got back home from work again and I'm in my living room and I'm actually wrapping Christmas presents. I have not wrapped any of my Christmas presents yet this year, and I need to get that done ASAP. So I have like all of my gifts here in front of me. There's some behind me. Don't look, Mom and Dad. But yeah, I'm just like watching YouTube videos, wrapping gifts. And then later tonight, my mom and I are going to a cookie exchange. So I might get a few clips there, but I'm not entirely sure because it's with my mom's friends and like their daughters. So I don't know whether or not they would be comfortable being filmed. But anyways, let's get on with the gift wrapping. I've been watching Zoe's vlogs while I've been wrapping, but I thought you guys would enjoy seeing this. I thought you guys would enjoy seeing what wrapping paper I'm using to wrap my white elephant gift for my friend group. I found it in my basement and I thought it was awesome. So whoever gets my white elephant present at the Christmas party I'm going to tomorrow night, is just gonna have the best wrapping paper in the world. I mean, if that doesn't look beautiful, I don't know what does. All right, well, I am done packing for now. The Christmas presents are looking amazing. And my mom and I are headed out to our cookie exchange, so this may or may not be the end of the vlog. And if it is, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll be seeing you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye!